Welcome back to the OSM channel. Let me get right to the point of today's video. I'm going to be testing these two products to see which does a better job at removing rust stains off of stainless steel. Obviously, the stain on the right is a bit heavier than the one in the center, so just keep that in mind. Now, this is a grill I'm restoring, and the stainless steel material is ferrous, which means it is not a 316 or 304 stainless. I believe that this is 430 stainless. So the two products I'm going to be testing, first on the right, baking soda. I'm going to mix it with water and create a thick paste. We will apply it with the grain of the stainless steel with this sponge. In the center, we have a stainless steel specific Barkeeper's Friend soft cleanser. Removes rust, lime, stains, and tarnish. Cookware, kitchen, bathroom. And it, again, on the top of the bottle here, it does specify stainless steel. And then on the far left, there's not much rust, but we're going to leave this as a control, so we're not going to touch this. And again, in the center, we will apply the product with a sponge. Cut from the same sponge, so I'm trying to remove as many variables as possible. First, let's test the baking soda. I've mixed baking soda with water into a thick, creamy texture similar to the consistency of a thick yogurt or peanut butter. Let's take our sponge. I'm going to try the non-aggressive side first. And very important, when you're trying to remove rust from stainless steel, you'll notice that there's a grain structure. You always want to scrub with the grain. And believe it or not, I can actually see these rust stains going away. That's actually doing a lot better job than what I thought. And mind you, we're not on the real abrasive side of the sponge. We're on the soft side of the sponge. A little bit of pressure going with the grain. See, it's doing a phenomenal job. So there's one little speck there that I'm struggling to remove a little bit, so I'm going to dip the sponge back in here. And now I'm going to go to the abrasive side of the sponge. We'll hit this little speck right here a little bit harder. And that is about completely gone. Really impressive. There's another rust mark back here. I might as well take that off now too. We'll continue with the abrasive side of the sponge. Start with light pressure, and then apply heavier pressure when need be. And let's wipe this baking soda section clean. Should be going with the grain. And I got to tell you, that's really impressive. It took a little bit of elbow grease, but you can see that that rust stain is completely gone. So baking soda, very effective. Now let's see if the Barkeeper's Friend does a better job. So the instructions state that you should apply the product to a damp sponge. I have a damp sponge. Squeeze a little bit out. The instructions also warn you not to over apply this stuff, and additionally, after 1 minute, it wants you to rinse the surface thoroughly to remove all of this cleaner. So I'm going to do a light coat first. Let it kind of soak in. And we'll just go back and forth with the grain of the stainless. There's a rust spot right here that I kind of want to focus on. There's some rust spots there as well. I'm going to turn this over to the aggressive side. Put a little more pressure on the rust spot. Okay, it's probably been about a minute. So let's wipe this dry. See how we did. So after wiping everything down, what is the final verdict? In my opinion, and my opinion is very subjective, I would say the Barkeeper's Friend stainless steel soft cleanser did marginally better than the baking soda. It required less scrubbing. I feel like this surface is slightly cleaner and shinier compared to the baking soda, but also the baking soda did in fact remove that very large heavy rust stain. So if all you have is baking soda, I would say the baking soda does a fantastic job. It is going to require a little bit more elbow grease, but it should do the job almost as well as the Barkeeper's Friend. So I'm putting Barkeeper's Friend in the number 1 position, baking soda paste mixed with water number 2, and then of course wiping with Windex. You're never going to get those rust stains out. So I really enjoy doing little tests like this. If you have any future video suggestions, please drop a comment in the comments section down below. If you're interested in either of the products that I used in today's video, I will also leave links for those products in the description down below. And feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'm always doing interesting things. Love to have you around. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching. As always, I will catch you on the next one.